Hey guys, I'm Jeff Goldtraplaw here in Nashville with another question about statutes of limitation. Remember what we talked about? A statute of limitation. Statute is a law of limitation, a law that limits you. A law that says if you're going to get something done, it's got to be between here and there. Begins here, ends there. You can't go outside this limit. Think about like a weight limit when you were in high school. Maybe you played on the football team and there was a weight limit. You wrestle, there's weight limits. There's hunting limits of what you can take. There's fishing limits of what you can take. There's limits to everything. When you go to the store and you want to buy something with a special coupon, sometimes it'll say only 2 of these items, etc. There are limits to everything. There's a limit to lawsuits. You think, well, how is that? Well, it's called a statute of limitations. And it means this: with property, we already talked about injury. Now we're talking about property. I rear-ended somebody. I'm driving down the road and I'm just thinking about that case that I just had, and my mind's in a cloud and I don't see the guy in front of me slowing down, and I just plow right into the back of him. Well, if you saw my car, you'd realize that I would do no damage to him. He'd probably never feel it. But anyway, different story. If I injure somebody, or not if I injure, I'm sorry, if I damage their property, I damage their car. The question is, how long do you have to begin some sort of legal action? What's your limitations? It began when I hit the back of your car and damaged your car. When does it end? When do I have to do something? 2 years. 2 years for property damage in a statute of limitations. 2 years. Now, does that mean I have to settle this case and be done in 2 years? Nope. That's a different topic. You have to file a legal action. Earlier we said, when do you have to file for injury? I hit you in the back and sent you to the emergency room. 1 year. I hit you in the back and just damaged your brand new red Corvette. 2 years. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtraplaw. I hope I've answered some questions. And maybe I've created more questions. If I've created more questions, ask them. Go to the Tennessee Law Group, or Tennessee Legal Questions, which is a Facebook group of mine. Ask any question you'd like. Ask me a question on Facebook, email, text, telephone. I'll be happy to answer it, and I'll probably use it for another blog or another point in my Facebook group. I'm Jeff Goldtraplaw. You go out there and make it a great day.